What if electric vehicles could drive without ever stopping to charge their battery? A new invention in Sweden may have paved the way for this to become a reality. Welcome to the future of transportation. Electrical roads for cars. In the heart of Sweden, a transformative innovation is brewing that could redefine the future of transportation. The world's first permanent electrified road. This pioneering project is not just a technological marvel, but a beacon of hope for a sustainable future. Electric roads, or e-roads, are specially designed pathways equipped with embedded electric rails or conductive elements. As electric vehicles, or EVs, traverse these roads, they connect with these elements, allowing for the continuous transfer of electrical energy from the road to the vehicle's battery. Imagine a world where electric vehicles glide seamlessly along highways, their batteries constantly and invisibly charging as they move. This is the revolutionary concept of e-roads, a cutting-edge innovation born in Sweden. These are not just ordinary roads, but pathways infused with advanced technology designed to power vehicles as they travel. We need just one moment of your time. As you know, our newsletters reach thousands of people every day. If you want to invest in knowledge and stay up to date with the latest in technology, science and engineering, then look no further. Our newsletters are for you. Engineer Pros, Gears in Motion and Blueprints. Don't wait. Subscribe with this link and position yourself at the cutting edge of technology. The e-roads eliminate the need for frequent stops to recharge, a significant hurdle for electric vehicle adoption, thus addressing the dreaded range anxiety that plagues EV users. E-roads represent a significant stride towards seamless, uninterrupted travel. They promise a future where the flow of energy from the road to the vehicle is as natural and unobtrusive as the air we breathe. Vehicles are perpetually charged, always ready to take you wherever you need to go, erasing the boundaries that once limited electric travel. Delving deeper into the operation of electric roads, it's a symphony of advanced technology and innovative design, all working seamlessly beneath the surface. One of the prominent methods employed is conductive charging. In this system, a robust metal strip in the vehicle glides along an electrified rail embedded within the road. This metal strip forms a secure connection with the electrified rail, facilitating the direct and continuous transfer of electrical energy from the road to the vehicle's battery. But it's not just about the transfer of energy. The design ensures optimal safety and efficiency. The electrified components are securely insulated, preventing any external exposure and ensuring the safety of the vehicles and their occupants. Moreover, the system is designed for compatibility with various vehicle types, making it a versatile solution for the diverse world of electric vehicles. Another fascinating method is conductive charging, where special equipment buried underneath the road sends electricity to a coil in the electric vehicle, charging its battery without any physical contact. This method transfer enhances the safety and efficiency of e-roads, providing a more flexible and convenient charging solution. The need for colossal batteries is diminished, paving the way for more compact, efficient, and environmentally friendly alternatives. Consider the resources like lithium ion and cobalt, essential for battery production. As the world grapples with environmental challenges, e-roads offer a beacon of hope. The EU's landmark law, aiming for zero CO2 emissions from new cars by 2035, sets the stage for a fossil fuel-free future. And e-roads are leading the charge. Safety, an aspect that is non-negotiable and paramount, has been adeptly tackled in the e-road design. Concerns about adverse weather conditions, such as rain or snow, have been assuaged with cutting-edge technology and innovative design. The e-road infrastructure is equipped with robust insulation and real-time monitoring systems, ensuring optimal safety and functionality in all weather conditions, safeguarding not just the vehicles, but also the precious lives within. While Sweden is at the forefront, the vision is global. Countries like Italy, the UK, the US, and India are already exploring the potential of electric road systems. Collaborative efforts like those between Sweden, Germany, and France are accelerating the research and implementation of this groundbreaking technology. E-roads could become the backbone of smart cities, integrating with intelligent traffic systems and autonomous vehicles. Imagine a world where roads communicate with cars, optimizing traffic flow through AI-driven networks. As we look to the horizon, the journey of electric roads is just beginning. A blend of innovation, collaboration, and determination is paving the way for a future where our roads don't just take us places, but power our journey. The road ahead is electric, and the possibilities are limitless. The global adoption of e-roads will play a crucial role in shaping a sustainable, efficient, and environmentally conscious future of transportation.